What's popping, y'all? What's good?
Damn, daddy.
Okay, my kids are weird anyway. We out here. I built this chicken feeder, chicken waterer. I bought this silicone right here because I need to move this around and seal it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that silicone for that. And then I bought this silicone gun as well right here. Man, I keep getting interrupted, but hey, here we go, bro. I was saying I made a chicken waterer, right? And I made a chicken feeder. But I think where I left off is I was telling you I had my silicone, I have my caulking gun, and I got a 20-gallon Rubbermaid trash can and three 3-inch PVC. I think they're 90-degree angles, and I put the silicone around there because the hole that I cut was just like barely too big, so it wasn't fitting very snug, and it was moving around. And then the chicken waterer, right? I got these chicken nipples, and I put 5 of them in there. And the goal with these two things is to make the chicken journey like way easier, so we don't have to worry about feeding them every day. We could probably do this like once every 2 weeks, maybe even once a month. We'll see, you know what I mean? But this is a 32-gallon, so that's a lot of water, and should be way less waste. They hit this with their beak, the water comes out, sits on there, lets them know there's water in there. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this to dry, and I have lids for both of them. That way there's no no contaminants. It's less of a chance for contaminants to get in there. And then also I bought today these excuse the yard, man, it is a mess, but we getting it. I bought these, which is just wood chips or wood shavings, whatever you want to call it. I bought 4 of these big old boys, and I'm gonna fill inside here, which I don't know if I showed you guys the coop, but yeah, the coop is done for the most part. That is a BB gun, don't worry about it. These birds be over here messing around. So yeah, I'm gonna fill this up. Oh, I had pine shavings in here, didn't even know. I also bought some nesting hay material to put in there for them so they can nest in there. And then I'm gonna fill, yeah, this all up, and I'll also fill this bottom portion up over here. First I'll clean all this stuff out, and I'll fill this up, and yeah, I'm ready to move the chickens in here. And then also I think I'm gonna put the waterer and the feeder back here. Should be enough room for both of them to fit right there in that corner. And then we are on our way. And then these girls are gonna get out of this old raggedy coop, which it held its purpose. I mean, it's done its job for sure for 3 years now. You up there roosting, huh? I think that might be a rooster. Just giving me rooster vibes, but we'll see. I haven't heard it crow yet, so but I saved these 2 chickens from one of my cousins. I think they just bought chickens thinking it was gonna be easy, not realizing like there's a lot that you gotta do with chickens. I mean, once you get the system going, once you get the systems going, you're good. You know, once you get like a coop, get your watering system down, your feeding system down, and you got the protection good, you're pretty much solid. But if you don't, it can get annoying real quick. That's exactly why I put that fence up, so they don't go over there, so they don't come over here. But yeah, I'm just waiting for that to dry. I think it said like 30 minutes, and then we'll be ready to put them up, fill it up with water, fill it up with some food, and we'll get it going. Where's Kennedy at? Says she want to be on this video. She don't like being on the camera. You coming? Oh. Yeah, she got a while. Filling this up right now. I don't see no leaks. I think we good.
In here, guys.
#1 Billie Eilish fan. Birds of a feather. Yep, man.
Birds of a feather. We stick together.
That wasn't a chicken joke. Right. They're in here. Alright, so about to get the babies out first. The half rooster and the real hen. Why are you so dang scared? They're not gonna do nothing. So I set this up.
I have a phobia.
Set this little funnel right here. I'm gonna scare them out of there. They're gonna come through here and they're gonna go in there, and then we're gonna go about our day. All right, that is the goal. But first, I'm gonna get these little babies out. Here, you wanna hold it? I'm gonna get the babies. You eat chicken nuggets like you don't?
It's a pretty like
That's crazy.
irrational phobia.
Why are you making me do?
Ooh, you feisty, huh, cuz? Woohoo, buddy. Oh yeah, they gonna fight. They feisty. All right. You wanna play with the big dog thing?
Oh my God.
I have to have y'all come out then. That's when you wanna come out.
Stop. Do it. Oh. It's out. I'm running.
Ken, stop.
Ooh, this one's feisty. Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Mom. Mom, stop.
I'm not doing anything.
It's okay, buddy. Promise you, you're gonna have a better life over here.
I swear. I swear.
Are those real tears? Tell them what they weigh. Come on, ladies. Come on.
They moving?
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to go in.
Huh?
It's just gonna run fast.
Yeah, they're just gonna run.
Alright.
Come on.
They're just walking at Kennedy, look. Seriously, dog? Seriously? Look, Big Bertha, she don't want to go. The survivor?
She's a survivor. She not gonna give up. She not gonna stop.
Stop.
I'm not recording. Come on, girl. Come on. So, come on, Miss Jackson. Ken.
Ash, what are you screaming for?
No, Ken, hold it up. The rest of them.
What are you doing? Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Come on.
Come on, girl.
Thought thought it would be better to do that. Daughter crying, man. I didn't even know. It's just chicken nuggets. She said she wanted to be on the video.
I don't think she wanted to be on this one.
Thanks. They're in there. It's done. Bro. Are you serious? Nothing happened. Not as smooth as I thought it was gonna be. But we made it. She made it through. There was a bee that came. They started tripping. There was anyway, Big Bertha, she the only one that started flying, the survivor, so they're checking it out, seeing what's going on. I think they like it. Maybe. They'll figure it out. I gotta let that, I'm letting that other, the chicken feeder dry, so once that dries, I'll put it in there in that corner over there. I'll fill it up with, see how many bags I can fit in there. And then we'll go from there. But it's cleaner, it's newer, it's more safer. None of the birds will get in. So, yeah. How was it?
Horrible. Never make me do that again.
How was it?
It's fine.
You win some, you lose some. But you live. You live to fight another day.
Damn, Daddy, this shit crazy.